Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Abhilash back. Today I am back with a new product for an unboxing. So this is Orient fan. This is a wall fan. The model number is wall44. You can see the details over here. This is the fan and this is the color which I have bought. So I'm going to make an unboxing of this. I have already opened this fan once. Let me turn on the light. I think this is a very less brightness. Okay, so yeah, I've already opened this fan to just note down the warranty details and everything. So this is already unboxed once. I mean to say, I have opened this in the electrical shop. So it's time to do an unboxing. I have not seen the complete product. I have just taken a warranty card and signed, took a seal and signature from the seller. So it's time to do an unboxing, and before that I'm gonna give you some of the information on this. Yeah, the model is WALL. You can see over here, I think WALL44. This is the model, and the actual MRP is 2300. You can see over here. Okay, this is the actual price, and I've got it for a good deal because, as I told you, I'm an electrician, but due to some reason I switched my professional to other field, but still I do the electrical work and all. You can see almost my video. You have too many videos of mine where I do some electrical work and all. So it's time to do an unboxing. So I've opened this thing. So I've opened this. First, let me take out the fan guard and the fan. Okay, then here it comes. There is nothing, it's just a support material. And yeah, this is the warranty card. You can see I bought this today, which is 25th of May 2019. Let me keep this apart because that is very important. And here comes the main part. This is the fan motor and the wall mounting thing over here, and code, and there is a instruction guide or a user manual which shows you how to install all this. So if you're doing it yourself, I request you guys to please read the instruction manual carefully, so it will help you in understanding the installation part. Okay, not necessary. And I didn't tell you the price which I got it for. I got this for 1,800 rupees, which was a good deal. Okay, make sure you pick the hook which will be inside this cover. This is the hook. If you miss this, then you will not be able to install it. It will be a very hectic to install this. This is the bracket. This is how it's gonna fit, and this is how you're gonna put the fan and mold it. So this is a very important thing. Please make sure you keep it. And let's see this. Okay, I wanted the complete fan in other color, but I didn't get. So here is the adjustment knob. This part you can see from here. So this gonna fit on the wall. As I showed you the bracket. This is the bracket which will be installed here. Okay, and this will hold the complete fan. And this is the knob you can see here. This one. So this is where it will help you in twisting it. You can just adjust in which direction you want. So that's how you can do it. And this is the main motor, and we have to remove this part and fix this complete fan. And I'm going to make the installation video also of this. And this is just an unboxing. So the second video, like I'll make the complete video in one go, and you can just skip and check for the installation and everything. So I think there is some issue in my cam, or is it due to the low light? I don't know. Okay, I think it's better now. So let's open this cover. Okay. So this is the fan. This is the actual fan which gives you air. So this is of plastic material, and we just keep this apart. And here comes the fan blade guard. This is the blade and this is the blade guard. This is for the back side. This comes near the wall, and this is how the blade comes, and this is how it will be fixed. So this is the front guard. Okay, so this is the front guard, and let me keep this over here. So few of them install this first, and they're gonna fix the blade. So few install everything and then they will put it like install, but it will be a little difficult to for installing and holding the fan, the main part, the motor part. So I always suggest you guys to first install this on the wall, and then you can fix this particular blade part. I mean the blade and the blade guard. So this was just a quick unboxing, and these are the main part: the motor, the bracket, the back blade guard, and the blade, and the front blade guard. So the color is of maroon, I think, maroon. So this was just a quick unboxing. So hope you guys like this. I hope this was a useful unboxing for you guys. And if you like my video, if you feel that this was useful, please give me a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel and help me in uploading more and more videos. I need your continuous support and love, guys. So it was just an unboxing. So now I'm gonna do the installation part. I'm gonna show you how to install this. So it will be easy. I'll mention in the first stage itself, like you can skip it and check. So it's time to do the installation. Okay, let me take the user guide, installation manual. Okay. So first I have to open this part. I think I have to use a cutting plier maybe to hold this. Let me read and understand the instruction guide. Okay, so you can see a small rod over here, and there is the option where you can hold it. Okay, so you're gonna hold this and remove this. So for this, you can use your hand, or in case if it is very tight, you have to use the combination plier called as cutting plier. Hold this and pull it in clockwise. So to remove this, you have to turn it in a clockwise. So we're going to remove it. So guys, it's time to take the fan and put it over here. So before that, just install this back blade guard to test that, to make sure that this is not, while switching into the rotation mode, it will not touch to any other part. So where you can see there is a bulb over here. So I just want to make sure that it's not going to affect the bulb. So I'm going to keep it over here. Okay, I'm going to turn it on. Okay, I'm going to turn the rotation thing. So there are chances. So you can see now here, it's not touching the bulb. So that is where I think this is the perfect place I can fit this. So to make sure, you have to check all these things. There is nothing which can block the blade in rotating to right or left. So this is fine now. I'm gonna just put it over here. I see there is almost 1 inch gap from the top. So I'm gonna take a rough 1 inch down and I'm gonna mark this. Or you can just hold this and make a complete marking using a pencil so I can erase it later. Okay. The marking is done. So as I told you, there's a gap of 1 inch. So what I'm gonna do is place it somewhere in the center. Okay, I think this is the center. Okay, make sure this is straight. If you have a water level to check, please use that. I don't have a water level to check. I don't know what the actual name is. If you know, please let me know in the comment section. So I have to bite one. I think this is enough. This is straight. Okay. So the marking is done. It's time to get the drill gun and install this. I mean the drill, and put a gutter and hole it. Make a hole. One step had to put this back on this hook. Okay, so yeah, the installation part is done and it's time to check again. I can see it should not touch the bulb, so it's not touching the bulb. So the installation part is almost done. It's time to fix the blade and then check the air. So I'm gonna get the blade and I'm gonna install this. Okay. Straight 3. I want it in one straight direction. Yeah. It's completed now. So this is how you can install it by yourself. And I'm really sorry about my pronunciation and everything. I know like people you want me to make in the normal regional language, but only idea of making videos in English is that it will reach everyone, wherein everyone can understand. It's a universal language, that's all. So thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoy this. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please do subscribe my channel and help me in uploading more and more videos. Thank you so much for watching and catch you in my next video.